In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze an Excel file in Claude. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload your spreadsheet, craft a clear prompt, and submit it so Claude can generate a meaningful analysis for you. First, upload your Excel file. Open a new chat in Claude and look for the plus sign icon in the message area. Click that plus sign to open your file picker, then choose your Excel file from your computer. You can usually upload common spreadsheet formats, but the safest option is a standard .xlsx file. Before you upload, it helps to tidy your data. Make sure your headers are clear, dates and numbers are consistently formatted, and any confidential information is removed. If your workbook has multiple sheets, it's fine to upload it as is. Just remember which sheet names matter because we'll reference them in the prompt. Large files can take a moment to process, so give it a little time after you select the file. If you see any upload errors, check your file size and try again. Next, write your prompt. You can keep it simple by typing, "Analyze this Excel," and Claude will attempt a general overview. For clearer, more relevant results, briefly describe what you want. Mention the goal of your analysis, the sheet name if there are several, and any columns or time ranges that are important. For example, you might say you want a summary of sales by month, highlight top-performing categories, or identify missing or inconsistent values. If your data has specific units, currencies, or definitions, include them so Claude interprets everything correctly. Short, direct instructions work best, and you don't need to be overly technical. Think in terms of outcomes you want to see, like trends, outliers, or key metrics. Finally, click Submit. After you send your message, Claude will read the file and your prompt together, then produce its analysis. This might include a high-level summary, notable patterns, potential data quality flags, and any insights based on the columns it finds. Review the response carefully to confirm that the sheet and columns referenced match your data. If the analysis mentions something unexpected, double-check your headers or file contents and adjust your prompt wording the next time you submit. Processing time varies with file size, so a brief wait is normal. That's it. Upload with the plus sign, write a clear prompt, and submit. With these steps, you can turn your spreadsheet into actionable insights quickly and confidently.